Hey guys, it's Joseph here once again. So, I just checked the National Weather Service thinking that I could just get a quick bulletin on the Hazardous Weather Outlook page. But what's going on is absolutely crazy. As you know, we've had some pretty bad thunderstorms come through the last week or so. And the National Weather Service, I guess FEMA or some other weather spotting group, is starting to release information on their weather radio information transmitters. And what you're going to hear on this radio is crazy. Not only is there flood warnings in effect, but there's other things going on as well. So I'm just going to go on and start playing it, and I'm going to let you guys listen to this, because like I said, this is crazy. So let me see if I can find a place to find where I can put my phone up and you can listen to the National Weather Service uninterrupted for the next few minutes. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. They were reporting tornado damage.
Critical stage for the lower Hartman bottom levee. At 370.0 feet. This is the highest stage experienced since the completion of the navigation system in 1969. Highways 309 and 288 northwest of Paris in Logan County are inundated by backwater of 6 Mile Creek. Backwater flooding spreads westward into Franklin County. This will exceed the December 29, 2015 flood when the river crested at 369.07 feet. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Overview. A squall line moved into eastern Oklahoma during the morning of May 21st. Several tornadoes occurred with this line across northeastern Oklahoma. Sepulpa, Oklahoma tornado. Rating. F1 estimated peak wind 85 to 90 miles per hour path length, or statute /1.6 miles path width, or maximum /unknown fatalities, 0 injuries, 0 start date, May 21st, 2019 start time, 6:08 in Central Daylight Time start location, 3.3 Northwest Sepulpa, or Creek County, or OK end date, May 26th, 2019 end time, 6:11 and Central Daylight Time and location, 4.0 Northwest Sepulpa, or Creek County, or OK survey summary. This tornado developed south of Sonoma Lake and moved north across the lake and then to the northeast. It dissipated before crossing West 81st Street south. The path is primarily based on radar data, which detected a strong gate-to-gate circulation and tornadic debris signature. A storm survey team investigated the area for damage and couldn't access the area where the tornado moved as it was inaccessible by road. Tulsa, Oklahoma, Tornado 1, rating, at 0 estimated peak wind 65 to 70 miles per hour path length, or statute /0.4 miles path width, or maximum /unknown fatalities, 0 injuries, 0 start date, May 21st, 2019 start time, 6:29 m Central Daylight Time start location, Tulsa, or Tulsa County, or OK start Lackland, 36.1708, or -959739 end date, May 21st, 2019 end time, 6:29 m Central Daylight Time and location, Tulsa, or Tulsa County, or OK and Lackland, 36.1762, or -959751 survey summary. Radar data indicated debris was lost at East Peoria Avenue just south of Highway 75.
They're saying coordinates right
The survey
now.
team found no damage in the industrial area. Access to the area was limited. This tornado was moving north-northwest and dissipated just before a stronger tornado formed near this location. Tulsa, Oklahoma, Tornado 2, rating, F1 estimated peak wind 90 to 100 miles per hour path length, or statute /2.3 miles path width, or maximum /545 yards fatalities, 0 injuries, 1 start date, May 21st, 2019 start time, 6:31 m Central Daylight Time start location, Tulsa, or Tulsa County, or OK start Lackland, 36.1742, or -959725 end date, May 21st, 2019 end time, 6:35 m Central Daylight Time and location, Tulsa. or Tulsa County, or OK and Lackland, 36.1789, or minus 959320 survey summary. The tornado formed just south of Pine Street at Rockford Avenue and moved east. The tornado damaged a number of homes and structures, downed trees, and damaged 2 power poles. A man was injured when a large tree fell into his house. The tornado dissipated just north of Pine Street near Oswego Avenue. Tulsa, Oklahoma, Tornado 3, rating, FU estimated peak wind unknown path length, or statute/0.7 miles path width, or maximum/unknown fatalities, 0 injuries, 0 start date, May 21st, 2019 start time, 6:37 and Central Daylight Time start location, 6.7 North Tulsa, or Tulsa County, or OK start Lackland, 36.2334, or minus 959153 end date, May 21st, 2019 end time, 6:39 and Central Daylight Time and location, 6.9 NME Tulsa, or Tulsa County, or OK and Lackland, 36.2359, or minus 959032 survey summary. Radar data indicated that debris was lofted near 56th Street north to the northwest of Tulsa International Airport. The public reported a tornado in this area. The location was flooded the day of the tornado and remains flooded at the time of this report. Owasso tornado, rating, F0 estimated peak wind 65 to 70 miles per hour path length, or statute/0.6 miles path width, or maximum/150 fatalities, 0 injuries, 0 start date, May 21st, 2019 start time, 6:48 in Central Daylight Time start location, 3.8 NME Owasso, or Tulsa County, or OK start Lackland, 36.3156, or minus 958231 end date, May 21st, 2019 end time, 6:49 and Central Daylight Time and location, 4.4 NME Owasso, or Tulsa County, or OK and Lackland, 36.3212, or minus 958149 survey summary. An Owasso police officer observed a brief tornado and reported some large tree branches were broken. F scale. The enhanced Fujiba scale classifies tornadoes into the following categories. At 0, weak, 65 to 85 miles per hour F1, weak, 86 to 110 miles per hour F2, strong, 111 to 135 miles per hour F3, strong, 136 to 165 miles per hour F4, violent, 166 to 200 miles per hour F5, violent, 200 miles per hour. Note, the information in this statement is preliminary and subject to change pending final review of the events and publication in National Weather Service storm data. And now the hazardous weather outlook.
My
Issued at
word.
4:32 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This outlook is for northwest and west central Arkansas as well as much of eastern Oklahoma. For this evening through tonight, significant winds. Risk, limited. Area, much of eastern Oklahoma and far northwest Arkansas. Onset, ongoing. Discussion, breezy southerly winds will gust to near 30 miles an hour at times for the remainder of the afternoon across parts of eastern Oklahoma and far northwest Arkansas. Winds will begin to slowly subside this evening into the overnight hours. Spotter and emergency management action statement, spotter activation not expected. And now the extended outlook for the period Tuesday through Sunday. Tuesday, severe thunderstorm potential, high wind potential, heavy rain potential. Wednesday, severe thunderstorm potential, heavy rain potential. Thursday and Friday, no hazards. Saturday through Sunday, thunderstorm potential. Extended discussion, a strong upper storm system will move into the plains Tuesday. An organized severe weather event is expected. Initial discrete storms across central and possibly into northeast Oklahoma will be capable of producing very large hail, damaging winds and tornadoes. Storms will evolve into a line by Tuesday evening and track east toward northwest Arkansas Tuesday night, with a damaging wind and short-lived tornado threat. Locally heavy rainfall is possible across far northeast Oklahoma into northwest Arkansas, especially after the storms evolve into a line or complex. Flash flooding is possible. The severe weather threat shifts south and east on Wednesday. Some scattered strong to severe storm development is expected across southeast Oklahoma, west central and northwest Arkansas during the afternoon and evening. These storms will be capable of producing large hail, damaging winds, and tornadoes. A large complex of storms is expected to move across eastern Oklahoma and western Arkansas Wednesday night, with an increasing threat for dangerous flash flooding as well as damaging winds. Thunderstorm potential will increase again next weekend. While severe weather can't be ruled out, organized severe weather is not expected. Locally heavy rainfall potential is expected. Weather.gov/Tulsa
I'm going to let it continue to cycle.
information. The following is a summary of watches, warnings, and advisories in effect. The Fayetteville area, including much of the Arkansas Ozarks and adjacent counties of northeast Oklahoma, a river flood warning remains in effect until further notice. For the following county, Crawford, Arkansas, a river flood warning remains in effect until further notice. For the following county, Crawford, Arkansas, a river flood warning remains in effect until further notice. For the following county, Franklin, Arkansas. This is a dangerous and life-threatening situation. The flood warning continues for the Lee Creek near Van Buren until further notice, or until the warning is canceled. At 7:05 a.m. Monday, the stage was 415.6 feet. Major flooding is occurring and major flooding is forecast. Flood stage is 401.0 feet. Forecast: the river will continue rising to near 416.8 feet by Wednesday morning, then remain nearly steady at that level. At 414.0 feet, major flooding occurs downstream from the Lee Creek Reservoir. Residences approximately 1/4 mile downstream of the reservoir begin to be impacted by flood water. Residences approximately 2/3 of a mile downstream of the reservoir are inundated to a depth of several feet. The recreational campground near Rena Road is severely flooded. Rena Road is inundated by high water. The flood record is 417.5 feet, which occurred on December 28, 2015. This is a dangerous and life-threatening situation. This is a dangerous and life-threatening situation. The flood warning continues for the Arkansas River at Van Buren until further notice, or until the warning is canceled. At 9 p.m. Monday, the stage was 39.93 feet. Flood stage is 22.0 feet. Record flooding is occurring and record flooding is forecast. Forecast: the Arkansas River at Van Buren will continue rising to near 42.5 feet early Wednesday afternoon and then remain near that level through Saturday. At 41.0 feet, near catastrophic flooding occurs along the Arkansas River. The port of Fort Smith and nearby businesses are severely flooded. Several residential subdivisions around Fort Smith are flooded. Backwater flooding occurs in the trailer parks next to Lee Creek. This exceeds conditions which occurred on May 5, 1998 when the river crested at 36.1 feet. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. This is a dangerous and life-threatening situation. The flood warning continues for the Arkansas River at Ozark Lock and Dam until further notice, or until the warning is canceled. At 9 p.m. Monday, the stage was 373.3 feet. Major flooding is occurring and record flooding is forecast. Flood stage is 357.0 feet. Forecast: the river will continue rising to near 377.0 feet by early Thursday afternoon, then remain near that level through Saturday. At 377.0 feet, this is the critical stage for the McLean Bottom Levee. At 373.0 feet, this is the critical stage for the Lower Hartman Bottom Levee. At 370.0 feet, this is the highest stage experienced since the completion of the navigation system in 1969. Highway Highways 309 and 288 northwest of Paris in Logan County are inundated by backwater of 6 Mile Creek. Backwater flooding spreads westward into Franklin County. This will exceed the December 29, 2015 flood when the river crested at 369.07 feet. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station WX52 in Fayetteville, Arkansas. These broadcasts originate from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Tulsa. Transmitting facilities are located in northwest Arkansas and serve Fayetteville and surrounding areas. The current time is 10:16 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10 p.m. at Drake Field in Fayetteville, it was partly cloudy. The temperature was 73, dew point 65, relative humidity 75%. The wind was south at 6. The pressure was 29.85 inches and rising. Around Arkansas this hour, at the Northwest Arkansas Regional Airport, it was clear with a temperature of 72. The wind was south at 6. At Fort Smith, it was clear with a temperature of 78. The wind was south at 3. In Little Rock, it was clear with a temperature of 76. The wind was south at 8. At Harrison, it was clear with a temperature of 72. The wind was south at 3. In Hot Springs, it was clear with a temperature of 81. The wind was south at 9. Around the region, in Tulsa, it was cloudy with a temperature of 80. In Muskogee, it was clear with a temperature of 75. In McAllister, it was partly cloudy with a temperature of 77. In Springfield, it was clear with a temperature of 74. At Joplin, it was cloudy with a temperature of 75. And in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, it was clear with a temperature of 81. Once again, in western Arkansas, skies ranged from clear to partly cloudy, and temperatures were between 73 and 78 degrees. The Fayetteville, Arkansas climate summary for this evening, as of 4 p.m., May 27th, 2019. Today's high temperature was 84 degrees. The normal high is 79. The record high is 91 degrees, which was set in 2012. Today's low temperature was 63. The normal low is 57. The record low is 37 degrees, which was set in 1961. No precipitation fell today, which leaves the monthly total at 4.84 inches. This is 0.48 inches below the normal amount of 5.32 inches for May. Sunset tonight is at 8:25 p.m. Sunrise tomorrow is at 6:03 a.m. The forecast for the Fayetteville area, including much of the Arkansas Ozarks and adjacent counties of northeast Oklahoma. Tonight, clear then becoming partly cloudy. Lows in the upper 60s. South winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Gusts up to 25 miles per hour in the evening. Tuesday, partly cloudy. Highs in the lower 80s. South winds 10 to 20 miles per hour. Tuesday night, showers and thunderstorms likely. Some thunderstorms may be severe. Lows in the upper 60s. South winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Gusts up to 25 miles per hour in the evening. Chance of precipitation 70%. Wednesday, showers and thunderstorms likely. Locally heavy rainfall possible in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 70s. South winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 70%. Wednesday night, occasional showers and thunderstorms in the evening, then showers and thunderstorms likely after midnight. Locally heavy rainfall possible in the evening. Lows in the lower 60s. Southwest winds around 10 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation near 100%. Thursday, partly cloudy. Highs in the upper 70s. Thursday night, clear in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy. Lows in the upper 50s. Friday, mostly sunny. highs in the upper 70s. Friday night, mostly clear. Lows in the lower 60s. Saturday, mostly sunny with a 30% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the lower 80s. Saturday night, partly cloudy with a 50% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Lows in the mid-60s. Sunday, mostly cloudy with a 40% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the lower 80s. Sunday night, partly cloudy with a 40% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Lows in the mid-60s. Monday, mostly cloudy. Highs in the mid-80s. Overview: a squall line moved into eastern Oklahoma during the morning of May 21st. Several tornadoes occurred with this line across northeastern Oklahoma. Sepulveda, Oklahoma tornado, rating F1, estimated peak wind 85 to 90 miles per hour path length, or statute /1.6 miles path width, or maximum /unknown fatalities, 0 injuries, 0 start date, May 21st, 2019 start time, 6:08 am Central Daylight Time start location, 3.3 Northwest Sepulveda, or Creek County, or OK end date, May 26th, 2019 end time, 6:11 am Central Daylight Time and location, 4.0 Northwest Sepulveda, or Creek County, or OK survey summary. This tornado developed south of Sonoma Lake and moved north across the lake and then to the northeast. It dissipated before crossing West 81st Street south. The path is primarily based on radar data, which detected a strong gate-to-gate circulation and tornadic debris signature. A storm survey team investigated the area for damage and couldn't access the area where the tornado moved as it was inaccessible by road. Tulsa, Oklahoma tornado 1, rating F0, estimated peak wind 65 to 70 miles per hour path length, or statute /0.4 miles path width, or maximum /unknown fatalities, 0 injuries, 0 start date, May 21st, 2019 start time, 6:29 am Central Daylight Time start location, Tulsa, or Tulsa County, or OK start Latland, 36.1708, or -959739 end date, May 21st, 2019 end time, 6:29 am Central Daylight Time and location, Tulsa, or Tulsa County, or OK and Latland, 36.1762, or -959751 survey summary. Radar data indicated debris was lofted east of Peoria Avenue just south of Highway 75. The survey team found no damage in the industrial area. Access to the area was limited. This tornado was moving north-northwest and dissipated just before a stronger tornado formed near this location. Tulsa, Oklahoma tornado 2, rating F1, estimated peak wind 90 to 100 miles per hour path length, or statute /2.3 miles path width, or maximum /545 yards fatalities, 0 injuries, 1 start date, May 21st, 2019 start time, 6:31 am Central Daylight Time start location, Tulsa, or Tulsa County, or OK start Latland, 36.1742, or -959725 end date, May 21st, 2019 end time, 6:35 am Central Daylight Time and location, Tulsa, or Tulsa County, or OK and Latland, 36.1789, or -959320 survey summary. The tornado formed just south of Pine Street at Rockford Avenue and moved east. The tornado damaged a number of homes and structures, downed trees, and damaged 2 power poles. A man was injured when a large tree fell into his house. The tornado dissipated just north of Pine Street near Oswego Avenue. Tulsa, Oklahoma tornado 3, rating.
Alright, so that's a complete cycle. But as you could hear, the storms that came through last week were really, really, really bad. Hopefully they won't be as bad in this next cluster, but we are expected to get some more severe weather later this weekend to the next weekend. But yeah, this was quite a crazy weather scan from my HH54. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll keep you updated. See ya.